Azure Devops Repos is a cloud-based version control system that supports Git and Team Foundation version control, helping teams manage code collaboratively. Here's how to use Azure Devops Repos effectively. Create a repository. Sign in. Log into your Azure DevOps account and navigate to your project. Create repo. In the Repos section, click New Repository. Choose Git or TFVC, name the repository and click Create. Clone the repository. Copy repo URL. Navigate to Repos, Files, select the clone option and copy the HTTPS or SSH URL. Clone locally. Use Git tools or Visual Studio Code to clone the repository to your local machine. Work with the repository. Add files. Add your project files to the local repo folder. Commit changes. Use Git commands or GUI like VS Code to stage and commit changes. Push to remote. Push committed changes to Azure DevOps using Git push. Collaborate. Branching. Create branches for features or bug fixes using repos, branches. Pull requests. Use repos, pull requests to review and merge changes. Code reviews. Collaborate with team members through built-in review tools.